Hello, hi. Welcome to my official channel Stars Nursing. I am Sajid Sheikh. I am going to narrate the smart card and renewal process of Maharashtra Nursing Council in English language. Okay, for that you need to visit the Maharashtra Nursing Council official website. Almost you might be knowing that Maharashtra Nursing Council website. You can type www.maharashtranursingcouncil.org. Otherwise, through the Google, you can directly visit Maharashtra Nursing Council through the search panel. In that, there will be options apply for the smart card, from where you have to fill the details, user ID, username, and the password. But for that purpose, you need to visit the registration section. In the registration section, there will be a create new user. So you have to create a new user. New user means, for that purpose, you should see whether you belongs to Maharashtra state or all state with your education. Regards to your education, they are asking whether you belongs to Maharashtra state or other state. If you belongs to Maharashtra state, then if you are having registration number, then you have to click yes. As you are going to do your renewal, you might be having your registration number. The registration number will be of two types. One will be the nurse, one will be of midwife. Actually, sometimes with some registration number, it is not opening. So some guys ask me whether we have to contact Maharashtra Nursing Council for that purpose. Actually, if you are a female nurse, then you might be having two registration numbers. Especially BSc nursing holders, degree holders will be having two registration number. One will be of nurse and another will be of midwife. So with both the registration number, you have to try to create your user ID. Either means from that two registration numbers, with one registration number you can create your user ID. So after entering your registration number, you will be able to see your details. You should see your details. If your details are not coming, then you can change from the nurse registration number to the midwife registration number, and you can search out your details. See, here I have entered the details of Maheshwari Bharat Nagre, means her registration number, and after that details got open. Now here the date of birth column is there, after that email ID column is there, mobile number is there. Do you want to register your same username as per your email ID? Then you can click yes. So your username will be set your email ID only, and password, it should be of 8 to 14 character that you have to enter, and remaining details you have to fill. You have to see for the hint question. You can easily select your birthplace option in that. I am entering email ID over here. So your exact email ID, which is registered over here, should be proper, because you are going to get your user ID and other details on the same email ID. Once the Maharashtra Nursing Council registration or renewal is allotted to you, you will be informed through the email ID. So here will be the mobile number. The status of your Maharashtra Nursing Council renewal or registration will be informed to you whether your smart card is dispatched or not. That all the details will be messaged to you on this mobile number. Here I am setting the same email ID as username. and I am setting a simple password which should be of 8 or 14th characters. So total 14 characters should be there. Confirm password. The same password you have to enter over here. Then you have to select the hint question. Here I am setting answer for the same. Then enter the about text which is visible over there. That same text you have to enter over here and click on the create account. Now you have to wait until it flashes your account details, so you can get your user ID, UID over here, username which you have entered, your email ID and password which you have set. So with all these details you can log into your registration section or smart card login section. So you must remember this UID, your email ID and password for the further communication and for the further process. So after setting up this, you have to cancel this form and you have to come on the registration page. After that you have to come on the smart card login section. So apply for the smart card. After clicking on this, you will be getting a message. Enter your user ID, username and the password. Here you have to enter your user ID, UID, then username, email ID which you have entered while registering, or any of your other username which you have entered while doing the registration, login or creating username, and after that a password which you have set already. Here you can see your all the details are coming. You will see from which college you have passed, on which date you have done your registration, your registration is valid up to which date, then your permanent address and other all things you will be getting over here. If any of the details is found incorrect, then inform to the MNC before doing any procedure. Otherwise, same details will be entered on your smart card. So carefully you have to fill up this form. Your address, it should be within the India, inside the India. Outside address you must not give. Then work experience, where you are working, that work experience you have to add over here from the date till the date. Then it will show the number of years and on which post you are working and the organization name. After that, if you will click on save, then down it will ask for you to upload the documents regarding your experience letter or related documents you have to attach from here. Then you have to click on yes, I have verified my details, and proceed to submit your application. Here I am logging out. I will show other completed form to you, how the completed form you have to submit, that I will show to you. So user ID, then email ID, and after that you have to enter your password and you have to click on login. So here process is somewhat late. So here are the details which I have already filled. So I have uploaded my photo. I have seen all the details are correct. I have edited my address. I have added complete work experience and all the related documents I have uploaded from here. See, each and every document I have attached over here. So related documents, 3 experience and 3 documents I have attached. Now I am clicking on pay. So payment gateway is closed, so whenever the payment gateway will get open, at that time I will show how to do the payment and how to move to the next procedure of Maharashtra Nursing Council registration renewal. Till then, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and come again and again on my YouTube channel and see my videos. Thank you.